everyone. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel. And today is my birthday. And we are having a birthday hop. Some of the ladies from the Mini Kit Monday group, I asked them if they would like to participate in my birthday hop. So yes, I will have a list of the videos that are in the hop below. So make sure you stop by and leave a comment. We all appreciate that. So normally I don't stamp, but I am today. And let me tell you something. This is very old school for me. I was a stamper before I was a scrapper. So all this stamping is, I haven't done it in a long, long time. And you see all the stamping that I did kind of in the middle there. I was just making sure that the colors were going to go with what I was looking for. And I had 4 colors there, but I ended up not using one of them. So there's a reason why. And this paper is from Close to My Heart. Now, this is some nice paper to stamp on. I used to be a Close to My Heart distributor way back in the 90s. But I have gotten away from that, and I really don't have time for that anyway. So anyway, so here, let's get back to what I'm doing here. So you're like, well, Tracy, it's your birthday, and you've got a couple photos of Slurpees. Yeah, you mean no birthday cake, no celebration photos? Yeah, it's a little different, right? Well, it's okay because there's a reason behind that. So my birthday is today, and in the U.S., we say it's 7/11. July 11th is 7/11. I know other parts of the country, they put the month after the date, so it would be 11/7, like in Europe. But here in the U.S., we say 7/11. And there is a convenience store here. And I'm thinking it's worldwide. I am not for sure, but if you're not familiar with the convenience store 7-Eleven, they are they have this frozen drink called a Slurpee, and that is like their trademark. You know, that is something only they do. There's other places that have it, but they can't call it Slurpee. Now, let me tell you about 7-Eleven. So how did 7-Eleven get its name? I remember back in the 70s, it was only open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. And I even looked it up online. And yes, that's true. That's how it's got its name. And those were even extended hours. Yeah, back in the 40s, I guess they closed earlier, like around dinner time. I'm not really sure because I wasn't born at that point. But by, I think it was in 46 that they extended the hours from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. So that's how it got its name, 7-Eleven. And then these Slurpees are drinks that are in so many different flavors. There are colas and cherry and blah, blah, blah. So many flavors. Well, to celebrate 7-Eleven, they offer a free Slurpee on 7-Eleven, which is today. So when I tell people when my birthday is it is so easy to remember. It is so easy. It's the day that everyone gets free Slurpees. And they're like, oh, well, then somebody thought that they got a free Slurpee on their birthday. No, 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 no. That's reserved for the special ones that were born on July 11th. So anyway, so that's how that came to be. That's how come I'm using these Slurpees as my photo for my birthday hop. Now those Alpha I absolutely love. I got them at Tuesday morning. They're called Stickos, and they're from EK Success. Love, 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 love those. I like it that they're foam. I like it that you get a lot. Yeah, and it comes in many, many, many different colors. And at Tuesday morning price, these were $1.99. I know a lot of the chipboard are, especially the American Craft, those are gone up in price to $2.19. So this is still at the $1.99 price. Okay, so I know I showed the stamping, and here I'm showing the placement of the alpha for my title. But the rest of this page is so super simple. The reason is I don't think I have any birthday papers or any birthday anything. To be honest with you, I just don't think I do. I think I did, but I think it's all gone. So I don't have anything else except for these Tim Holtz stickers. I pulled the ones out. Oh gosh, I don't even remember which little packet I got it from. It says, wishing you happiness, happy birthday to you, which really means to me, and then celebrate. So those are the little stickers that I put around my title. And that little wooden piece that says always and forever, because yes, free Slurpees, 7-Eleven, always and forever. You guys are never going to forget when my birthday is, right? Right? Okay. And then the little putty person, the girl is there. And then down below is the word love. Now, what you can't really see clearly is on that stripe paper, I stamped something. And what it is, it says happy day. Now, those round elements, those round stamps and the happy day came from a set from Vicky Booten. So that's where all of that came from. And here's my journaling. Oh my gosh, here it is at the end. There's going to be still shots. And make sure you check out the other ladies that are joining me on this hop. And I will see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.